Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this error on GTA 5, and it really doesn't matter if using enhanced or other version, it will work for both of them. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and you just need to write DirectX and click on DirectX and use your runtime web installer by Microsoft.com. And here you need to press download and download to your computer DX web setup and install to your computer. And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists. And if you install everything properly, you just need to write run and then write the DX here. And it should be a Direct 12 on DirectX version for you, and your game should work. But if it's not working, don't worry, I will show you next step. Then you just need to write in Google Tufi 88D3D12 proxy ed rdx11_0 by GitHub. Click on this link here. Then you need to scroll down until you see GitHub releases. And then you need to select a release binaries release and download to your computer. Once you have it, right click on it, then extract all, and then extract to the desktop. And then you need to look for this file D3D12. So you can drag it to your desktop, whatever you like. Then you just need to go to the client where you have GTA 5, legacy or enhanced, really doesn't matter. And then you just need to right click on it, properties, installed files, browse, and then you will have your GTA 5 directory. And then you just need to drag this particular file here. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.